Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Ever heard HODL or gas fee and thought, what the heck does that mean? Don't worry, we've all been there. Crypto's full of terms, but today we're busting 10 terms you need to know to navigate Web3 like a pro. From blockchain to sharding, I explain each with fun scenarios, sprinkle in some memes and end with a quiz. Ready to level up your crypto game? Let's dive into the future of finance. First, HODL means hold on for dear life, keeping your crypto instead of selling it, even when prices crash. Picture this, you buy Bitcoin at $60,000, it drops to $40,000, but you HODL because you believe in it. Second, gas fees are what you pay to process transactions on blockchains like Ethereum. Imagine sending Ethereum to a friend. You pay a gas fee for the network's computing power. For example, last week I paid $10 to swap tokens on Uniswap. Third, smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements on the blockchain. Think of a vending machine you put in Ethereum and a DeFi app like Aave automatically lends you USDC, no banks needed. The power of DeFi, NFTs and more. Third, decentralized finance or DeFi is finance without a middleman. Using smart contracts, you can lend, borrow or trade on platforms like Compound, earning 5% APY on stablecoins. It's your money, your rules. Fifth, wallet. A crypto wallet stores your private keys to access your coins on the blockchain. Software wallets like MetaMask are apps, while hardware wallets like Ledger are physical. Scenario: you use MetaMask to buy an NFT on OpenSea, for example, and store it there. Sixth, DApp, decentralized apps, or DApps run on blockchains. Think, for example, Uniswap for trading or Axie Infinity for gaming. Unlike TikTok, no company controls them, just code and community. 7. Stablecoins. Stablecoins like USDT or USDC are backed to $1 per coin, avoiding crypto volatility. Traders use them to park funds or buy in DeFi. Imagine buying a coffee with USDC. It's crypto that feels like cash. 8. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets like art or collectibles stored on a blockchain. Buy a Bored Ape NFT and it's yours forever if you don't sell it. Scenario: an artist sells an NFT and earning royalties every time that NFT gets resold again. 9th, sharding. Sharding splits a blockchain into smaller pieces to process transactions faster. Ethereum using sharding to lower gas fees and scale Web3. Think of it like splitting a huge party into smaller rooms. 10. Web3 is the decentralized internet powered by blockchain. It's DeFi, NFTs, DApps and DAOs giving you control, not big tech. Imagine owning your data and voting in a DAO. Time for a quick quiz to test your skills. Pause and answer those 3 questions and write it down in the comments. What does HODL mean? A. Sell fast. B. Hold tight. Or C. Trade daily. What's a gas fee for? A. Buying NFTs. B. Blockchain transactions. Or C. Staking. What's Web3? A. Centralized app. B. Decentralized internet. Or C. A coin. Drop your answers in the comment section. I'm gonna read every comment you leave on there and reply to you guys. So now you know the most common crypto terms. From HODL to Web3, you're ready for the blockchain revolution. Like this video, subscribe for more crypto explanations and hit the bell to join the Web3 wave, and I'll see you on the next one.